Welcome back to Dark Souls 2! Well, I made it back here to this, door. Something's shooting at me from over there, but fuck 'em. At least I see a summon sign here. Is it gonna be NPC or person? NPC. What a surprise. I'm just too high of a level. Got too many soul memories. Alright, Lucatiel. Lucatiel. Let's go. I got another level again. Fuck. Fuck it. It's a big boy. Get him, Lucatiel. I'm put magic barrier on you. Resplendent life on me. Bam. Weak as shit. How about thunder? Thunder? Yeah. What, he stabbed himself? A fire sword. Ow! No! Lucatiel, move! Good job. I'll heal you. No, I won't. Do something. Stab him in the ass. Ah. Ah. I fucked up. I fucked up bad. At least that guy has like 5,000 HP. Oh no. I won't fall for that again. Hitting him hurts me? Lukashi, I'll heal you. Now you perish. No, stab him. Ah. Good job, Lucatiel. Lucatiel. Praise the sun. Yay, we did it. First try. What are you? Okay. Hiya. Bonfire ahead, by the way, try behind. Okay. Don't know. Hurrah for victory! Hurrah for bonfire! Now I'm at that door that didn't open from the other side. Ah. Porcine shield. What does that do for me? Oh, 100% physical reduction? Everything else sucks ass on it. Except stability. It only weighs 6 pounds, or 6 weight units. It's a piggy shield! Let's put it on and see what it looks like. Oink. Sweet. Nothing beats his stamina shield though. Also, I found the Chloranthy ring. Let's go level up. Twice, maybe? Hopefully. What's up, lady?
Of the curse. Seek the king, lest this
Boom. So attunement. I don't know. Let's just get more of this, shall we? Now, let's move on. Huh. All these fuckers came back. What if I just leave you there? Oh, you turtle guy? That's what I do. I fucked up. Whee! Oh boy. Why did I stab him in the doorway? Ah. Die! Hey, you know what? Just for fun, let me put my sign down over here. You! Are you Tupper? I fucked that up. I forgot how to fight him. It's been like 20 episodes since I fought that guy. I forgot all his moves. And I suck. So there's that. I just wanted to put my summon sign down. Good thing I didn't lose 20,000 souls. Fuck it. I want to put my summon sign down, damn it. Fuck off. I retrieved 0 souls. No, 1,400 souls. Stab, 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 stab. Come here. Stop it. What was that? My God. All that just to put a fucking summon sign down. Now we move on. Let's kill you fuckers again. It targeted that guy way down there. Turn the fuck around and swing your goddamn weapon at the guy you're targeting. How hard is that? How hard is that? God damn. Yeah. Have your little tantrum. Hold on, let me take a nap real quick, guys. God damn. Oh. Am I gonna stand up and fall? If I try to turn around, I'm probably gonna fall. About to say. Hey, it worked. Let's do a battle. I'll help you, my friend. I'll bless you. Praise the sun, I guess. Hopefully I didn't cancel out any of his buffs. No. Get off of my friend. I missed. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. The whip did 15 damage. No! I forgot about that. Just keep on blasting it, baby. Oh, you're welcome, buddy. Ha! Smooth and silky stone. And on part 1, you used to get sunlight, or you're supposed to get sunlight medals from that or something. I guess they changed it up. I got a bunch of fucking souls again. Yeah! Hurrah for woman! Do you open? Does. How rare. A Pharaoh's Lockstone. There's another gate right there. Try life. Let's see what's over here first. I got 1 billion of those lockstones to use. Oh yeah. Gotta attack these for some reason. Get a nice overview of this area. It's an area. Oh, is that what? Is that gonna lower when I... Hit that switch down there? Bonfire. Hell yeah. Ooh. I like defensive items. Look what I have on right now. I have the blue tearstone ring and the steel ring of protection. Or ring of steel protection +1. I don't like dying. Give me this bonfire. Now where do you take me, ladder? What's that? Hey! Oh, oh! Shush. Is this gonna be that area? It is! I'll remember that for when I get invaded. So who are you? Of course, they positioned them where you can't hit them with this thing. Can I turn this? I can't even turn it. Okay. Who are you? Fuck off. My God. Flaming axe. Go away, nobody likes you. Money. Except not really. You know what? I might as well summon this guy since it's a big summon sign. He won't disappear after a while. He'll stay with me till the end. Till I fight a boss. What kind of weapon do you have? He dropped one of those things. Oh, hello. Get him. Oh, he has that cool weapon. Good job. Idle? Guess. Don't you dare, don't you dare. Woman. I see no woman. See item. Yeah. Liar. Okie. Guess that's all down here. Guess I'll hit this. Move! Did that open the gate to the exit? Someone shooting triple crossbow? This guy! People always getting up on the weird spots. Hard to get to spots, leaving messages and stuff. And look at me, I'm special. I'm a special character. Buddy, all kinds of spice. Spice is nice. Be wary of confidence. Step over the... Fuck. Let's go, idle. Die. This can be an annoying guy. Get out of here, Seb. Trying to interrupt my fun. Did he throw another item? Good job, idle. You perform your duties well, my friend. Whew. That was a heart pounder. Alright. Why'd I do that? I'm just gonna heal this guy. Now, put magic barrier on you. And resplendent life on me. And move into the mist. Thought I was gonna be a boss, but I guess not. Instead it is immolation. Is that a cool fire spell? Okay. Or I'll play around with it whenever I get that fire hand, which should be here. I mean, you'd imagine. Triclops, snake, troches. Something and then something. I'll never understand what people mean when they use words. Or my troches. Petrify resist. That might come in handy. Yay! Thanks, buddy. You are greatly appreciated. Grand Spirit Tree Shield and a protective chime. Lightning? A good elemental resistance in general. Oh, it's a spell deflect shield. Is it better than the golden wing shield? It's got less stability. It's lighter though. Let's change it up a little bit, why not? Also, I gotta upgrade my other weapons, like the little two-sided spear thingy. I want to start using that. What about you? What you got for me? Black Knight Greatsword. Didn't I have that already? No, I had the Ultra Greatsword, okay. It's the same power. Well, same power minus the fire damage power, I guess. Cool stuff, man, cool stuff. Alright. Well, that'll wrap it up for this episode, I think. I rung the bell in that place. I'm not sure what it did, but, you know. I rung it. Alright. I guess I can level up, can I? Yeah. Let's go level up. Let's go level up, shall we? Stand up, woman!
Bearer of the curtain, see, lest this.
Hopefully I'll be good at 30 Vitality for, like, permanently. If not, then I'll get more. Alright, anyways. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.